Imagine breaking free from Earth, rising through layers of atmosphere until the sky fades into black. The planet you once stood on shrinks into a fragile blue dot. Then, in the silence of space, the solar system reveals itself. 8 planets, orbiting a roaring ball of fire. Each one is a world of extremes. Mercury, scorched and silent. Venus, buried under clouds of acid. Earth, the only cradle of life we know. Mars, dry, red, and waiting. Jupiter and Saturn, titans of storm and gas. Uranus, tilted and distant. And Neptune, spinning in frozen winds. This isn't just a journey through space. It's a journey through time, danger, wonder, and the endless question of whether we're truly alone. Our journey begins with Mercury. Closest to the sun, yet frozen in silence. A planet so near to fire, it never truly knows warmth. By day, it sears at 430 degrees. By night, it plunges into darkness, colder than ice. There is no air here, no clouds, no winds, just naked rock, scorched and exposed. Its orbit is a reckless sprint, just 88 Earth days around the sun. It spins slowly but races endlessly. Look closer, and you'll see a skin of craters, ancient wounds from the birth of the solar system, never healed. Under the unfiltered sun, the ground ripples with heat. No sound ever echoes here, not even a whisper. And so, Mercury remains still, utterly alone, a burned, breathless world, where even time itself seems to pause. From afar, Venus shines like a soft, pearly jewel in the night. Calm, perfect, serene. But behind that glow lies a furnace. As we descend through its golden clouds, beauty fades into dread. This is no sky. It's a storm of sulfur and acid, swirling like smoke from a broken world. Down below, the pressure crushes everything, like being 900 meters under a boiling ocean with no escape. The heat, nearly 500 degrees. Lead melts, metal dies, and when it rains, it's not water, but acid. Yet even those drops never touch the ground, burned into steam before they arrive. Everything here erodes, disintegrates, disappears. Landers don't survive. Machines corrode. Venus devours all in silence. There's no oxygen, no wind, no night or day, only a choking stillness, frozen in endless twilight. It is Earth's twin, but twisted, cursed, and burning in slow motion. Among dead rocks and burning gas, one world glows with color, a swirling sphere of blue, green, and cloud. Earth. The only place we know where rivers run and oceans breathe. Wrapped in a fragile veil of air, it shelters life from the cold silence beyond. Forests inhale, coral reefs bloom, creatures crawl, fly, and dream on this one rare world. But Earth is not still. It quakes, it storms, it reshapes itself with every passing second, and no force has altered it more than us, its only known intelligent species. We light up the dark, we carve mountains, we scar, and we heal. Earth is a miracle, balanced between chaos and harmony, a world of thunder, of laughter, and the beating of billions of hearts in a universe that otherwise says nothing. To the naked eye, Mars is just a red dot, but it's a dot that haunts us with questions. Up close, it's dry, dusty, rusted, yet strangely familiar. The wind still moves here, sweeping across broken rocks, as if time never truly stopped. There are valleys carved by rivers, and deltas shaped by ancient floods. Mars remembers water, but now, no birds, no trees, no voices, only cold stone, waiting for something to return. And maybe, just maybe, life was here once. Microbes, cities, dreams, forgotten. Now our machines crawl across the dust, digging, scanning, listening for whispers from the past. Mars doesn't answer, but in its silence it asks us back, "Are you ready to return?" You can't miss it. Jupiter is the giant among planets, more massive than everything else combined. But there's no surface here, only endless storms. Fall into Jupiter, and you fall forever. That red spot? It's a storm larger than Earth, raging for centuries without rest. And around it, a solar system of its own. Dozens of moons, each like a world. Its magnetic field is monstrous, strong enough to fry electronics and trap radiation like a cage of fire. At the poles, alien auroras twist in violent beauty, 10 times stronger than Earth's. Yet this chaotic beast is also a shield. It swallows comets before they reach us. But beneath the clouds, beneath the thunder and light, Jupiter holds a secret no probe has touched. Its heart remains hidden, silent, forever unknown. Saturn hangs like a pale lantern in the dark, elegant, cold, and impossible to ignore. Its rings? They're not solid, but billions of shards of ice, dancing in perfect silence. There's nothing else like it. So precise, so geometric, it feels artificial, but it's not. As the light shifts, shadows fall, giant crescents gliding across golden clouds. At its pole, a crown of storms spins, a perfect hexagon that's never stopped turning. And far above, Titan orbits quietly, with rivers, clouds, and maybe even the breath of life. Yet even this beauty fades. The rings are dying, raining down into the very planet they once crowned. And in the silence of deep space, Saturn whispers, "Beauty is fleeting, even here, among the stars." Uranus drifts on the edge of sunlight, cold, quiet, almost invisible to the eye. Unlike any other planet, it rolls on its side, as if knocked over by something ancient. Its rings are ghost-like, thin, dark threads wrapped around a frozen jewel. No vibrant storms, no swirling clouds, just pale blue stillness. But beneath that silence, winds scream at 900 kilometers per hour. Strange auroras flicker at its tilted poles, not where they should be, never where they belong. Its moons, dark and cratered, spin like forgotten stones in eternal night. Long ignored, barely visited, yet Uranus remains, a cosmic riddle no one has solved. At the edge of the sun's light drifts Neptune, a frozen giant wrapped in shadow. It's colder than any other planet, yet storms rage here with terrifying force. Winds howl at over 2,100 kilometers per hour, the fastest in the entire solar system. And in the dark, a storm spins, a great dark spot like a hole punched into the sky. That deep blue you see? It's not ocean. It's methane and chemistry we still don't fully understand. Orbiting this chaos is Triton, a moon that moves backward, erupting with icy geysers into the void. From here, the sun is just a bright star, and time itself feels slower. Neptune rages, alone, and beyond it, only darkness. The storms end here. Past Neptune lies only silence, frozen dust, forgotten light, and questions no one can answer. Voyager keeps drifting, carrying whispers of who we were, into forever. Beyond the planets, one question echoes louder than ever. Are we alone? But this is not the end. It's only the first step into the unknown. So if this journey moved you, subscribe to follow the next one, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, we'll keep chasing the stars.